Yes, I welcome you to this practical still as Engineer Steve Electric. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you don't miss up the next video. Today we are going to talk about parallel circuits, parallel connection. What is parallel connection, by the way? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Engineer Steve Electric. Parallel circuit, this is where current divides and only a part of it parallel circuit, this is where current divides and only a part of it flows through any branch. So today we are going to connect a parallel circuit. Material which we are going to use, we have here our switch, we have the switch, we have the pendant set lamp holders complete. There are three. We have here 3 bulbs, and we have our cables which we are going to use to connect a parallel circuit or parallel connection. I told you this is where current divides itself and only part of it flows through any branch. So we have here our parallel plier and a tester. So with that, we are going to start our connection. Please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, Engineer Steve Electric. We have almost 3 types of connection. We have parallel connection, we have series connection, we have series parallel connection. Series connection, let me start. Parallel connection mostly used in like our homes, domestic wirings. This is where we use parallel connection mostly. Then in mostly electrical devices, they also use parallel connection. Then why do we use parallel connection mostly? This is because it provides more than any one way for current to flow through devices. Like in our homes, you may be having like let me in the main hall. That's where we use parallel connection. That you have a lot of lights in the room, so you have to use parallel connection so that you switch on, they switch on one at once. So then also we use parallel connection because it creates much more stable and efficient power supply than any other connection. Because with parallel connection, it is a stable connection. The moment you connect that parallel connection, you're sure that you will not be disturbed by